The laundry room, totally crucial when it comes to keeping things clean. If your home isn't blessed with a huge space to wash and fold your clothes, don't worry. All of these laundry room ideas, each with accompanying storage tips, will help you make the most of what you do have. Since laundry rooms deserve design love, no matter their size. Besides, laundry day is rough enough. You may as well do all that washing and drying in a stylish space. 1. Double your load. If you have a large home or family, consider doubling your machine count so you can buy back some of your time. In this perfectly preppy laundry room designed by Mark D. Sykes, the many shades of blue provide a pleasant distraction from the extra appliances. 2. Add a kitchen island. The rotary iron is tucked between the wall and work table for easy access without blocking foot traffic. Adding a small folding table is a great way to repurpose old furniture or stash additional furnishings when company isn't around. Think of it as a portable kitchen island. 3. Hang cleaning tools from hooks. Establish a designated place to hang all of your cleaning supplies. Not only will wall hooks put them within easy reach, they'll also keep them out of the way. This discreet hanging rack has been painted the same color as the wall, so it blends in seamlessly. 4. Give it a double function. Custom cabinetry helps a mudroom seamlessly transition into a laundry room in a cohesive shared space designed by Eric Olson. Custom hardware extending from the built-in bench to the sink area and chic black and white accessories complete the look. 5. Hide it in a bathroom. A modestly sized 2-in-1 machine can be a smart addition to a small bathroom. The tiny wet room in a home from Fantastic Frank's portfolio of properties is a great example of a strategically designed tiny bathroom, ideal for apartment living. 6. Choose crisp whites. Instead of taking up floor space with a standing drying rack, designer Dina Bandman installed a custom lucite rod between 2 upper cabinets in the San Francisco laundry room for damp garments. Yes, even a drying rod can be pretty. Also, note the hamper tucked under a cabinet but exposed, so it can be grabbed quickly when it's needed. 7. Think style and substance. A trio of retro hampers in this laundry room, designed by Emily Henderson, aren't just charming. The wheels also make them easy to move around the house. Assign one to each family member to help them keep track of their own laundry. 8. Use all available walls. Repurpose crates to keep your essentials organized. Here, they're stacked on top of the cabinets, really making use of all possible space. Then, secure a single rod to your wall for a makeshift drying rack in a small laundry room. 9. Stack machines. Before falling in love with a specific layout, think about how you'll use the space. For example, this laundry room, designed by Sherry Hart and Jennifer Jones Condon, also functions as a mudroom. To clear up some space for a doggy shower, the designer stacked the washer and dryer vertically. 10. Decorate with intention. In this minimalist laundry room, designed by Robson Rack, even the essential items are stylish. The black hangers accentuate the modern black ladder, which is both decorative wall art and a functional tool. 11. Mount things to closet doors. Not only does a wall-mounted organizer save valuable floor space, but it can also fit inside a closet if you don't have a dedicated laundry room. 12. Embrace matching finishes. This neutral-toned laundry room, designed by Gil Schaffer, exudes English country timelessness, from the exposed hinges and farmhouse sink to the traditional flush mounts. Though it isn't visible from the kitchen, the cabinetry mimics that of the kitchen for a consistent look in the home. 13. Rethink the Layout. This laundry room, designed by Urban Grace Interiors, features a front-loading washer and dryer, which lets the homeowners make the most of their limited counter space. 14. Make it sleek. Have you ever seen a more sophisticated laundry room? Designed by Art and Pike, this space makes doing chores so much more inspiring. The machines are tucked behind a sleek khaki green closet door, so our eyes can focus on the pretty marble backsplash instead. 14. Keep it exposed. When your laundry room is actually just smack dab in the middle of a hallway, you'll want to make sure it looks as pretty as possible. This exposed laundry space by Amber Interiors blends right in with the rest of the walls in the hall, but it's brightened up by fresh florals and a colorful area rug.